In this video, we will be making baklava. It's very easy, simple, and there aren't too many ingredients. First, we make the syrup. It contains honey, 400 grams to be exact, and 500 grams of water. Then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon sauce. After that, we're gonna heat it. Now we're gonna make the pastry. Crack 1 egg. Sift 400 grams of flour. Add 200 grams of milk. Two teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix it well. After that, close the lid and leave it for 15 minutes. Then you put your cornstarch on the table. After 15 minutes, we take out the dough and separate them into small pieces. Then you flatten the dough. Now the most important part, you have to roll them up very thin. Check if you can read through it. After that, you're gonna crush some walnuts and sprinkle them on top. Then you're gonna roll the dough. Then you slide the dough out. Put all of them onto the tray. Now I have 500 grams of butter, but we only need 250 grams of butter, so we're gonna cut it in half. Heat it in the microwave until it's melted. And then pour it on the dough. Now we put it in the oven. They will be ready in 15 or 20 minutes. After the baklava is ready, we pour the syrup. And now here is our baklava. Enjoy your meals. Like and subscribe.